I would think, I'm not a counselor or therapist, but if I was, I don't think, other than maybe burning artemisias or cedar around my clients or in my office, I don't think there's another plant that I would probably use on a regular basis with some serious, like, it would provide some serious help to people that the drugs don't, that the counseling falls short of on so many, and the time frame of counseling. What can you give these people in these situations that would be legitimate, that would be deeply penetrating, that historically hold in these arenas for thousands of years? That's this plant right here. You don't really have to do much except introduce them to it, connect them with it, tell them a little bit about it. Even if you just use the words like, this isn't amazing, like those times, like you have a client, right? They're just like the times when they're describing to you, like, I can't think, I start to panic and it gets worse and I can't think and I go blank and I always make the wrong mistake and I'm not, just like, they need to calm, center, be able to think. If you can describe, you can fit Rosemary in, I would imagine, into 100 different counseling profiles. But you're going to have to describe what it's going to do for them, almost magically deliver. It's going to calm you. You're going to be able to think better. It's going to center you. It's going to make you feel grounded, make you clear-headed. So maybe next time you'll know what to do or what not to do. And that just by smelling the plant. And it will work, because it will work, but you as a counselor or therapist are going to have to set the stage for that by creating reality with your words. And the plant allows you to do that. Yeah, and here's something that's been evolving along those lines, is taking pedicularis, or the betony, and having the essential oil of rosemary nearby that a person breathes for deeper retrieval, deeper acceptance of trauma that's stored in the muscle tissue, but also a deeper remembrance with that trauma from your mind. So plants that work together along these, like really doctoring you deeper, are the anemone tincture, the pedicularis tincture, and the essential oil of rosemary. Can take you, I mean, to me at this point in time, it is the angels that fly in on the back of plants with those three plants. I mean, miracles. It's powerful and it's deep. For deep deep traumatic healing. One where you have to really be present to truly get that final healing to take place. Okay, and allow you to feel protected and allow you to be able to go that deep, because rosemary is bringing protection and acceptance and memory, forgiveness, but protection most of all.
For the full video and for more plant teachings, visit Wild Medicine School at the link below.